I may be biased, but this is the best holiday gift guide I've personally ever seen. Very clean, natural. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Abby, and today we are doing the ultimate holiday gift guide for her. This is everything that I feel like is essential, things she needs, things I personally have or want, couldn't live without. It's like, I don't want to get another mug with like candy canes on it, for example. No offense, but that's just like kind of a very boring gift and you can't use it all year. So these are very functional gifts I feel like would be good for some, for everyone, but mostly for her because it's like jewelry and pretty things that should make her feel good and special and thought of for the holidays. So let's do it. Come on up, Square. Good girl. Say hello, my name is Rue. Is there a squirrel? Show everyone your beautiful Christmas bandana. Starting off with gifts for her, I feel like she's gonna want something that's a little bit more luxe than what she would just go buy at like Bath & Body Works. We wanna keep her feeling sophisticated. So the most luxurious hair brand, in my opinion, for hair products is Oribe, and these are the only 3 products I have from them. I have had their shampoo before, but this is just, it screams luxury, and I feel like obviously when you buy someone a gift, it's gonna be something that they're not necessarily going to buy for themselves because it's maybe too expensive. Texture spray, their hairspray is amazing. Anything from them is just, again, luxury, it feels expensive. Next up is hair tools, hot tools. I love my Shark hair dryer and it has several different attachments. And I actually think I found that one on Amazon, maybe Costco. And then I know T3 sells one. I know Dyson sells one that's more expensive. I also love my GHD Platinum Straightener. You guys have seen me in my videos using it all the time. That's how I got this hairstyle. I don't even own a curling iron. It's like the only one that I have and I love it so much. So that's a really good one. This is hands down 100% my favorite leave-in moisturizer. It's a moisture and shine lotion that I put in my hair every time out of the shower. I have so many leave-in conditioners and this is the only one that I love. I love the smell. I love R&Co because they're on the cleaner side in terms of hair care products. So if you guys want this, it's the R&Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Really good. We have a lot to get through. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while now, you know that Typology is like #1 elite in all of my skin tints and moisturizers and skincare. And it's like the perfect little chic glass bottle. And you might not know your friend's skin type, skin color, but I feel like these ingredients are just so clean and universal. So if you were to gift something, you don't know their skin tone, you could always get 2. Like I have the skin tint and this is my favorite skin tint of all. If you've tried the Ilia skin tint, then you would love this because it's very similar, but it doesn't have the smell. So I mix type 1 and type 2. Then this is the Glow. I 1000% recommend this. And then their 9 ingredient moisturizer. Just because it's great for all skin types, it's a good primer, it's a good base, it's a good moisturizer for on the go every day. I feel like skincare is kind of difficult to gift because everyone has very different skin types, textures, needs, and I'm personally afraid to try new products, so gifting skincare can be a little bit tricky. This you can find from Amazon. It is the IKT Wax Stick. It's like that sleek back ponytail without using a bunch of gel. So if you have a ponytail like this and you want to get the pieces in the front to kind of lay down flat, it is essentially a wax stick. It's great for on the go and it's only like $5 or $10 and it's a great little stocking stuffer or something to just throw into a white elephant for any girly. I feel like she would love this. And also I have one, but I would be pretty stoked to receive another one. And again, it's a really good price. The next product I don't have, but I want and would love recommendations in the comments, the LED face mask. I want an LED face mask and there's some that are more expensive. There's some that form to your face. There's some that are cordless so you can walk around. I want the one that has like the neck piece as well. So if you have any favorites, please let us know. But an LED face mask is definitely, you can go more affordable and you can go more luxury, high end, but I feel like it's the perfect She's Pampered gift. Let's talk about Credo for a second because I love Credo. Essentially like Sephora, but all clean, non-toxic. So I love it because you can go in there and just trust that all the ingredients have been tested. So a Credo gift card would honestly be so great because I feel like a lot of people are going towards the clean, non-toxic route and anything from Credo is just feels very high end. Some favorites from Credo, I love the Evolve Together brand. They have my favorite deodorant ever. I also just recently got their body wash, which I'm excited to try. Uni, which I actually have right here, my favorite moisturizer for the body, and it doesn't have any white cast. It smells very, I wouldn't say holiday, but I would say like expensive spa. 24-hour Uni serum. Osea has a really good body line as well, which I love. In terms of makeup, you guys know I love my makeup. But if I was to go into Credo and pick up a couple main specific brands, I would look at gifting Westman Atelier for sure. You could get their concealer, their mascara is insane. I love their highlight stick, which would go good on any skin tone. The other brand I would get is Ilia for sure. I mean, anything from Ilia is just stunning. Kosas, can't go wrong. Love their concealer, is like my #1 favorite concealer that I own. And since we're on the topic of gift cards, Credo, Sephora, either one, obviously always a good go-to if you have like a white elephant or a gift for a friend that you don't necessarily know what they need. Another call out with Sephora things is that you can always find the little holiday gift packs in Sephora. I don't usually think about this, but if you go in there, they have like, you know, preset package bags. I actually have 2 of them here that was sent to me from Refi. Just get a gift like this where it has multiple things in one pack and it feels very like gifty instead of just throwing a bunch of makeup in a bag, although I would love that. This is my last like self-care. It's not even self-care, it's more like hygiene. This is my favorite toothbrush, which I know is so random, but this is from Surrey. And I actually got it from Erewhon, and it comes with this little case, which I love. This box has blue light, so it will sanitize it when it's plugged in and charging, and it's perfect for on the go. It comes with this magnet that you can stick this to, so I can keep it up on the mirror so it's not just like sitting around my bathroom. So it's reachable from the sink, it's reachable from the shower, and it's, yeah, electric, and it lasts forever. And it has really cute colors, and it's just like a really chic upgrade. I feel like getting a new toothbrush would never hurt. So now it's exciting because we're kind of moving away from the self-care wellness world for her. I feel like next we're gonna be getting into some like home things, which is really exciting. I have not used this yet, but I'm so excited. It was just gifted to me. Hanna Tabba Original is a Swedish brand, but it looks like this, which actually kind of looks like a weed grinder, but it's not. This is a flower arrangement holder. So, actually comes with 2 in one box. You stick your flower stems in it, and when you twist it, it opens like this. That may be somebody like me that loves flowers but hates doing the arrangements. This is a foolproof way to make them look beautiful. I feel like everyone loves a candle. Can't go wrong with a candle. I have the one behind me is from Salt and Stone. I also love the ones from Malin and Goetz. I don't know how to pronounce it. Love that one. And then Diptyque, obviously. They're like Joe Malone. Those are my favorite candle brands that are higher end. Okay, comfy lounge set time. Exciting. This blanket is my tried and true gift. I had my sister gift this to me 2-3 years ago, and I think I've slept with it almost every night since. It's kind of weighted, it's thick, it's cozy, it's from Anthropologie. Again, I don't actually think I mentioned this. All of the things that I'm gonna be mentioning are gonna be in the caption below for you. This Anthropologie blanket, they don't have it in this color anymore, but it's actually so funny because my sister asked me for a blanket for Christmas this year, so I'm definitely gifting this same blanket for her because she actually never felt it or understood just how amazing it is. I'm gonna move my tea and show you, it is massive. You know when you gift a blanket or get a blanket and it's just like too small, there's just no point. This is the best blanket I've ever owned and can't say enough about it. Everyone loves a good sock for Christmas, so we definitely want to be getting them Bombas because it's by far the best. Lifetime warranty, #1. If you have a sock go missing, they will actually send you a new pair. And if you get a hole in it, they'll send you a new pair. There's different thicknesses, different heights, different colors. So keep your receipt, keep your gift receipt. I think if you are gifting them and you want the lifetime warranty, you should probably make sure you include the details. I get very excited to talk about my cozies. So I have to mention this because I have worn the snot out of this aloe sweat set. I have it in gray and I have it in this brown color. I love a good sweat set, and I feel like any girl receiving aloe, like a name brand, is going to be very, very, very pleased. So this is just, I mean, again, essential. I just get size small, and I love the sweatpants because they can be a bit loungy, and the bottoms are looser. It's easy to put on and off, and they're very flattering as well. Okay, this is my favorite gift that I could mention, and it's actually the slippers that I'm wearing right now. Emilio, how much do I love these slippers? I'm not taking them off, that's right. They are made out of real sheepskin. I'm sorry to my vegans, but they are the most comfortable slipper. You would think with all of this fuzzy inside that it would be like really hot, but somehow it's really breathable. And they're like little ballet flats, which are so cute. And my other slippers are like really big and bulky and just heavy. And when I'm wearing big and bulky sweats with my big slippers, just like a lot. So it kind of slims me out a little bit wearing these cute little shoes. And it has this hard sole on the bottom. These are from Shepherds of Sweden, and it's, again, a Swedish company. I love the Swedish companies. They just know what they're doing. I can't say enough about them. I'm actually going to gift them for my sister, for my mom, and for my brother-in-law. So the next thing to mention is my favorite robe, which I love so much. I also have a second one that I gave to Emilio. It's from Barefoot Dreams, and it's essentially like wearing a blanket around you, and it is so comfortable. My sister actually asked for one for this last Christmas, this last year, or her birthday or something, but it is so comfortable. I think this is a size small. When I'm filming my beauty videos with it off my shoulders like this, and people are like, oh my God, where's your shirt from? I'm like, it's actually a robe. It's so soft, it's so comfortable. And I've actually washed and dried it a couple times, and it still has that nice blanket, cozy feel to it. And then additionally, if you really wanna go crazy, this is a blanket from Barefoot Dreams. So I always, you know, I mentioned my other one from Anthropologie, but if you wanted a little duo situation, this blanket is amazing, and it's also very large and very comfortable. Not too heavy, more breathable. If you're someone who runs hot, this is a really good option. Keep in mind, these are things that I'm mentioning that are around my house, truly could not live without. Also, quick mention for the sweat set that I'm wearing right now. I, yes, wore it in my last video. That's how much I love it. It's from Negative, and it's just so cute. And it has the little kind of like tight ankles, if you can see. And it's slouchy, and it has a nice neck and the cute little buttons. It just, the fit's incredible. So I think this sweat set is a really good option as well, in case you don't wanna get that Aloe one. Chances are your friend might already have the one from Aloe, so getting them this one from Negative might be better. If you wanna get gift cards, like I said, Credo, Sephora, Airbnb, airlines, if you know what preferred airline they like to fly, but can't go wrong with a gift card. I have so many cute kitchen things. This makes me so happy. I was just actually gifted this for my birthday, and it's these little, look how cute this wooden spoon is. So it's a little 3-piece set. If you know someone who likes to cook, it's like, I did not need any more wooden spoons, but I was so happy to receive this just because it's adorable. So you have to think about stuff like that. You know, it's like, what's gonna bring a smile on their face? They may not need these, but it's an affordable little gift. Hi, Rue, come say hi. Rue has come to say hello. The next thing that I was going to mention is salt, because we love salt, right? Rue loves salt. This is a little salt jar that I got from Williams Sonoma. So I just bought this recently actually, and it has little magnet close. And this is where we keep our Malden salt, which is from this that I actually got from Costco, but I think they also sell it on Amazon, and it is the most flakiest salt ever. The salt is amazing, and it's great for like toppers. I use it to finish off the top of my eggs. I honestly put it on everything. Friend Anna actually made this for me. It's like a homemade lemon chili salt. She used the Malden salt and like preserved lemons and chilies and cooked it down somehow, and it's just in this cute little jar, and she tied a little ribbon on it. And it was like such a cute little homemade gift idea to do that. It's like she didn't have to really cook anything, but she definitely put some heart into it. So that was a really meaningful gift. The next kitchen thing is something that just brings me a lot of joy, and it is this tea box. And I've actually gifted a tea box before to someone, just got it on Amazon, but they have different sizes of them. I organize all my teas this way, and it just makes having tea more enjoyable. And you could also gift with this tea set a bunch of teas for someone. I feel like that's a really good idea, because if I was to get a giant box of teas, even though I already have this, I would be so stoked. I just wanted to shout out now jewelry because every girly loves jewelry. I'm sorry. But this, I have 3 brands that I really wanted to mention. So number 1, let's start with like the highest end, which is this tiny chain that I'm wearing. This is from Scalise and this ring as well. And I have so many pieces from her and they're all just so special to me. I have discount codes for you, so I will mention them all in the caption. Another Swedish company is Emma Israelsson, I think is how you say her last name. But this says hope, and then this is a little dove for peace. So it's a very like spiritual kind of necklace, which I love so much. And I also just love this simple layering. But if you don't want to be so simple and you want to be a little bit more elegant and elevated for your gifts, Melinda Maria, definitely gold plated, but I think this necklace is like maybe $80, $100 or something like that. I will link it for you again. But this just is the most, again, for $100, this is insane. And I also have the matching bracelet. My mom has all of this stuff. She wears it every single day. These necklaces make her feel so expensive. And I also have the ring that I also wear all the time. So Melinda Maria, I have a full-blown storefront that I've linked like all of my favorite products to. So that'll be easy for you to shop from as well. And latest, newest, and greatest piece to my collection is this little necklace that I actually designed myself. I went to this event and they had petite moments there, and this was the necklace that I created. There's a bunch of different charms you could pick from, and this is the necklace that I made. You'd be able to kind of build out and design a necklace for your friend, but this little charm situation is like the perfect gift to me. It's personalized, it's good quality, it just looks nice, and it's very fun. I think that a really good classic gift is just a simple table book, like a coffee table book, just with pictures. You could leave it open, you could have it closed. I have this one in my living room that just says Live Beautiful, and it's from Amazon, and I just have a couple decorations on top, but it really just completes a room, and it's really chic, and it's a really nice thing to just throw in for a gift. Last thing, this is such a pathetic version of what I want to share. I think a really good idea for someone that's just simple is to get them a houseplant, because who doesn't love plants? And if they didn't buy it for themselves, there's not as much pressure for them to keep it alive. So I just wanted to share that. And two, like, most important thing with getting someone a houseplant is to get them a cute pot, because even if their plant was to die, at least they have something that will last through the gift. Last year for Christmas, a family member did this incredible thing where he had us do a plant draft, and he bought so many plants for all of us, and we made a draft where how did it work? One person went and then picked a plant, and then we could like steal or trade, and it was really a fun activity because then everyone left with really cute houseplants. This completes the ultimate holiday gift guide for her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. I really loved making this video specifically. I was pushing to make sure that I got it to you before Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you guys pick up a few of these things. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Anything that's like a...
I'm gonna get it.
Sparky, I need you to say because I need your commentary.
Come here. Come here. Get up. We're gonna shake it off. We're gonna shake it off like Taylor Swift, right? Shake it off like Taylor Swift.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me.
The player's gonna play.
No.
The hater's gonna...
Good job,
Rue,
Rue.
are you gonna shake it off? Are you gonna shake it off?
Rue, come here.
Oh,
Rue, come here with my
shake it
holiday
off,
gift guide.
Claire.
Yay, Rue. Okay, excuse me.